Welcome, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of electric SUVs, and Kia has just unleashed its latest creation onto the California roads. I'm Nick, and you're watching the latest edition of Automoto, where we bring you the hottest news and reviews from the automotive world. Hit that subscribe button and buckle up for an electrifying ride. The picturesque Napa Valley recently witnessed the media test drive of the highly anticipated 2024 Kia EV9, the brand's three-row electric SUV. Kia's commitment to excellence is on full display with the EV9, boasting a combination of striking design, spacious interiors, towing capability, and, of course, advanced electric technology. Let's talk design. The EV9's exterior is a triumph of proportion, blending ruggedness with sophistication. Its boxy, triangular design language emphasizes short overhangs and a long wheelbase, creating a distinctive and aerodynamic profile. The digital tiger face at the front, with star-map daytime running lights, adds a futuristic touch, while the rear boasts slim star-map taillights and flush door handles for a clean look. Kia knows variety is key. The EV9 comes in light long-range RWD, wind, land, and GT line trim levels, with options for two battery sizes and either rear-wheel drive or dual-motor all-wheel drive. Each trim level brings its own unique appearance, ensuring there's an EV9 to suit every taste. Step inside, and the EV9 continues to impress. The modern sanctuary-like interior features an elliptical-shaped dash with a panoramic display, dual 12.3-inch screens, and hidden until lit haptic switches. With available features like a full-color head-up display, full display mirror, and ambient mood lighting, the EV9 offers a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. Kia is all about staying connected. The EV9 comes equipped with Kia's ultra-modern connected car navigation cockpit system, offering faster processing, quick controls, and navigation-based charging guidance. It's the first Kia model to offer over-the-air updates, ensuring your EV9 gets even better with time. Safety first. The EV9 comes with a robust set of advanced driver assistance systems, including forward collision avoidance assist with enhanced capabilities. It's designed to detect vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, providing a high level of safety on the road. Now, let's talk performance. The EV9, based on the E-GMP platform, features a choice of powertrains, including a 76.1 kWh battery with a 160 kW motor and an optional 99.8 kWh battery with a dual-motor, torque-vectoring all-wheel drive configuration. With ultra-fast charging capabilities and up to 5,000 pounds of towing capacity, the EV9 is ready for any adventure. That's a wrap on our exclusive look at the 2024 Kia EV9. What are your thoughts on this electrifying SUV? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Until next time, keep those engines revving, and we'll catch you in the next episode of Automoto.